Good morning. Today I'm going to provide you with the Guelph Housing Market Report for the first quarter of 2019. Well, we got off to a relatively flat month in January, and then February was a very strong month. It continued to strengthen in March, and right now we're sitting in a very strong market. So let's take a look at some of those key metrics. The median sale price in Q1 2019 ended up being at $488,000 for all homes in Guelph, which is up by 2.8% relative to the same time period of last year. Median days on market is at 15 days, which is up by 2 days from last year. The number of sales in Q1 2019 is at 453, which is up by 0.7%, and the number of listings in Q1 2019 is at 721, which is up by 3.7% versus 2018. As you can see, the housing market numbers in Guelph are very strong right now. Sellers are obtaining top dollar for their homes, and there's an increased amount of inventory for the buyers out there. So if you're thinking about buying or selling in 2019, please give me a call. I'd be happy to help you out.